everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Nintendo Switch OLED model. So I got this from Amazon for $18.99 from Amazon. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this protective case out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Nintendo Switch OLED model. Here's the presentation of the box that you'll get if you order from Amazon. Here is my Nintendo Switch OLED model. The Nintendo Switch OLED model has a 7-inch display, as you can see there, and we're going to try this protective case out on my Nintendo Switch OLED model. And here this has on the bottom right corner, drop protection, military standard. And let's go ahead and take a look on the bottom side of the box, which is from Beetle Tech Inc., made from China. And there's nothing else to say on the presentation of this box, but here's the back side of the box. The back side of the box has icons that talks about how this is dust proof, scratch resistant, shock resistant. It has a dual layer design and it has an accurate cutout for the Nintendo Switch OLED model. So here is the barcode. You want to look this up online from Amazon. And with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So pretty simple unboxing. All they did was shove a protective case inside a cardboard box. And let's see, oh yeah, we have a user guide here. And let's go ahead and take a look at this. This is how you would install it. All you have to do is follow the steps. It is simple to read and easy to install. Here is the instruction on how to remove your Joy-Cons from the case, as you can see here. And here, this is how you would remove the case from your Nintendo Switch OLED model. So that is it for the instructions. And now let's finally take a look at the protective case itself. So here it is. We have to just remove the foam. Here is what you're going to get. So my first impression is that this has a tactile design. Here you have this plastic hardcover on the back that protects from scratches on the back of the Nintendo Switch. Here you have rubber sides, as you can see here. So nothing too unique about this case. Here's the cutout for your ventilation speaker and your charging port. Here, both sides are rubber. Here are the buttons cut out for your vent and game card slot. And here's the back design. This has a carbon fiber feel to it, soft touch and a hard touch materials on this case. Let's take out my Nintendo Switch OLED model and see how this fits. So all you have to do is insert one end, the bottom side, and just pop it in on the top end like I'm doing here right now. And make sure you have both sides of the Joy-Con in its place of the protective case from Supcase. So as you can see here is the bottom side of the case that shows the ports. Here's the back design of the case. Really like the design. It has a tactile feel. Here are ways to remove the Joy-Con. And you can remove the Joy-Con easily without removing the case, which is a good thing. And this Supcase can play while in TV mode. So you can have this case on while it is charging or while you are playing in TV mode. So which we'll be checking that out later. So here's the top side of the case, which has your power button, volume buttons, as you can see here. Let's see if it works. Works great, as you can see right there. Here are your volume buttons. Here is your ventilation cutout and your game card slot cutout. Here's the side of the case that protects the Joy-Con itself. Here's the bottom side, which has USB Type-C port and your ventilation underneath. So here's the back design, which you cannot use the tabletop mode if you have this case on. Here's Supcase branding. And with that being said, let's go ahead and see how this fits in the dock. So here's my Nintendo Switch dock, and let's see how this fits inside with the case on. Here's my Nintendo Switch dock, and all you have to do is line up with the edge of the screen, and all you have to do is just hear that snap. And yeah, so it fits really well. Feels like it is connected to the portable device. Here's the back side, in case you're curious of how it looks like on the with the case on. And here's the front side with the case on. Here's are the sides, and here you can see no gap. And here's the other side with the USB ports. And yeah, so that is the Supcase case, the protective case for your Nintendo Switch OLED version. So I really recommend getting this case from Supcase. Is the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro, which you can get from Amazon for $18.99. Make sure you protect your Nintendo Switch in good condition. You never know that how long you want this to be in your hands, or if you want to resell it. So yeah, so really love this case. It satisfies my needs. And yeah, so if you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this case. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Trinh. And I will definitely see you on the next one.